Hi there. My name is David Hale, and I'd like to welcome you to our school community. So, I'm going to give you just a quick tour around because what I want you to do is just start to explore. And so, the community tab allows you to write something. I'm mostly the one that's communicating on here, but doesn't stop you to communicate, introduce yourself, tell us who you're looking for, what you're looking for. If you've been pre-approved yet, if you'd like a introduction to a good mortgage broker, we work with great mortgage brokers. And this is also the live button that I've clicked to join um, the call every second Thursday. And we have, I'll get to it in a minute here. We have get-togethers every second Saturday. Second tab is the classroom. And basically, start here means this is where my disclosure is to you that I'm a realtor. Now, you can either have a relationship with me as a realtor or not. And there's no rush to decide um, whether you want to do that or not. The second tab is the introduction. It's a video I did quite some time ago. The third tab is the matchmaking program. So you click on that, click on our matchmaking program, and you just fill this in, and it's just a short form. It sends you a link to the actual form, and I don't want to scare you, but there's about 50 different questions there to answer, and they're weighted questions. So basically, what's important to you comes to the top so I can see it and potentially match you with someone else. For instance, like we want to know what area of town you're going to be in. That's a big one, right? So it could be a deal breaker. You might want to be down by Beacon Hill Park or in Oak Bay, or you might want to be in Central Saanich or and then the Western community. So a bunch of questions that really let us know a little bit about you, whether you are dog friendly, whether you're smoking friendly, that type of thing. So everything goes in there, gets boiled up, and we can tell who should be matched, who should we should introduce you to. So that's that's that tab. The next one is the Buyer's Corner. So if you click on Buyer's Corner, this one's probably got the most information in it. There's a quick video here. Why rent when you can own? This one's dedicated to um, some programs that we can run. There are some very generous offers out there right now where developers are offering extra commission to the salesperson, which would be me. And I don't necessarily need that extra commission. I make a good enough, you know, paycheck on the retail value. So why not pass that over to you? So right now, I've seen them offering anywhere from 5 to 10 to even $20,000. I just got an email today on a developer who is offering $20,000. So I could offer you a good portion of that, maybe all of that, depends on how you can twist my arm, but, that may help you get into the marketplace. That can go to you to help with, payments and the cost of, getting into a home. Now remember, there's no GST, um, or, PST for first-time buyers, so that's another big, huge savings, for you and a reason to do it now. Um, I've also got videos on how to find weekend open houses. So if you click on this, um, there's the quick video here, and it kind of runs you through the next three tabs. So there's a Western Community Shareable Homes Tour, a Greater Victoria Shareable Homes Tour, and a Peninsula Shareable Homes Tour, um, and homes with legal suites, homes with suites suit to Sydney. So that's a broad brush. So basically, It shows you how that you can use these links to find open houses for like Saturday and Sunday. And you're welcome just to copy that link, put it on your desktop if you'd like. So lots to see. You can get lost in there for a while. The calendar, I'm speaking to you here on the Thursday night here, what's happening tab. And basically, that's where you would join that event. And I usually advertise in advance and tell you a little bit about what we're doing that night. Every second Saturday, we meet at the Quality Foods upstairs. There's a small meeting room up there, 11:30 till 1, and I'm buying coffee. So just remind me about that. So it's a place that we can chat, get to know each other, and have your questions answered. If there's an audience after that, we do a shareable homes open house tour. So we go out and see it, homes maybe in the areas that you would like to see. So you just let me know, and then we can head out there because we have access to, what's going on, who's open, and we do two or three homes. Just kind of give you an idea of, what shared home living could be about and what it would look like. Um, this is the members tab, so you're welcome to cruise around in here. We have 143 members as we speak. And then the about page, that's just simply probably where you came in. Um, you clicked on join here. And so you're probably not going to have to worry too much about that. There's some links as well that you can share if you know somebody that you want to have join our group. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I wanted just to give you a quick tour because a lot of people come in and they just sit there and they don't know maybe what to do, what there is to do. So again, thanks so much for paying attention to this video. So thanks so much for joining. And my goal is to get to 500 people in our group, in our community this year. And I believe that there's at least 1% of the people in the Greater Victoria area would like to know more about shared home ownership and co-ownership, and that represents 5,000 people. So let's keep this thing growing. Thanks for being one of those people that's helping us get to our goal.